So in order for us to run Python files on our Atom text editor, we need to open our Atom text editor. You can open it wherever it is. I have it here, and then I will open my Atom text editor. So as soon as Atom text editor has been opened, we need to install a package. That package is called script. So you can install package by going to file and going to settings. And when you go to settings, you can see settings here. You need to click on install. Under install, you have to find the package that we want. So since the package we want is script, we need to install it. So by installing this package, it will help us to run our Python files. It will take time for it to install. So script has been installed, and you can see here it's changed from install to uninstalled. That shows that script has been installed and we can now run our Python files. So let's give it a try. So on our file, you want to go to a new file, and then we can create a file that is going to call just a simple print statement that's going to say print hello world. So you want to say Ctrl S and then save your Python file on your desktop. So for instance, I want to save it here. I will just label my file as hello.py. Every Python file will end in this .py to show that it's a Python file. So click on hello.py, and then this is what it will show you right here. Yours will be different because I save it in my file, and I will just close on these other windows, and then I will have to run my Python file. In order for me to run it, I have to go to packages and then go to script. I can find script here, and then I will say run script. So while the script is running, so in order for us to run our Python file, we need to go to packages. Under packages, we need to find script. Script might be right here, and then we need to run script. When we run script, it prints this word hello world. So congratulations, and that is how you can install a package that is called script and run Python files. Let's watch the other videos wherein we're going to learn more.